Hi friends, welcome back to Wanderlust channel. In this video we are going through the main tourist attractions of Rameswaram Island, which is also known as Pamban Islands. So, let's get started. Rameswaram Island or Pamban Island is an island located between peninsular India and Sri Lanka on the Rama Setu archipelago. Chennai Indira Gandhi Road Bridge is the main travelway that connects the Pamban Island to the mainland India. It was opened in 1988. This 2.35 kilometers long bridge took close to 14 years to get completed. Pamban Bridge is a railway bridge that connects the town of Mandapam in mainland India with Rameswaram on Pamban Island. Opened on 24 February 1914, it was India's first sea bridge. The Pamban Railway Bridge spans at 2.06 kilometers. The railway bridge is located 12.5 meters, 41 feet, above sea level, and consists of 143 piers, and has a double-leaf bascule section with a Scherzer rolling-type lift span that can be raised to let ships pass. The new rail bridge is under construction parallel to the existing bridge. On the other side, it is very picturesque with the anchored fishing boats bobbing in the sea. I have done a separate video on these bridges. I will add links in the above cards and in description. You can watch that after watching this video. Next there is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam National Memorial. Mobile phones are not allowed here, so please keep them safe if you are visiting here. I am not sure if there is a clock room available. The security personnels were not allowing visitors to go inside the monument, even if the mobile is placed in your pocket or bag. Rameswaram plays a vital role in Hindu belief, so there are many temples to visit here. We have gone to Agni Teertham where we can see many people doing ritual baths, snanam. Dhanushkodi is an abandoned town at the southeastern tip of Pamban Island of the state of Tamil Nadu in India. It is southeast of Pamban and is about 24 kilometers west of Talamannar in Sri Lanka. Now we are going to Kodhandaramar Temple. The journey to the temple is through an awesome road. The temple is crowded and we can see people doing snana in the sea in front of the temple. Now we are going to Arichal Munai in Dhanushkodi. There is sea on both sides of this road, and the travel through the road is an amazing experience. Earlier times until 2016, we need to rely on jeeps to reach this place, but now we can reach the place in our own vehicles, and the roads are good. The sea on the left is very calm and quiet without many waves, but on the right it's very active with roaring waves. I have done a separate video on Arichal Munai with more visuals. I will add links in the above cards and in description. If you haven't watched it yet, you can watch that after watching this video. Now we are going to Ghost Town in Dhanushkodi. The main attraction of Ghost Town is the ruins of the church. Ruins of a temple and mosque can be seen here. Also, there is ruins of military hospital and school, and ruins of many houses. Almost 60 years back, Dhanushkodi on the Pamban Island was a bustling town along southeast India's coast, with a railway station, police station, medical center, and basic amenities. Ferries from Chennai and to Talamannar in Sri Lanka was a perfect tourist activity until the massive cyclone engulfed the entire region on 21 December 1964. The cyclone, with tides as high as 20 feet, didn't spare anything but ruins. It is considered a ghost town, as the place became uninhabitable. I have done a separate video on Ghost Town with more visuals. I will add links in the above cards and in description. You can watch that after watching this video. Apart from these, there are several known and hidden beaches in Pamban Island, like Arichal Beach, etc. If you know some beaches that I missed to mention here, then comment below, so that the viewers will get more idea when they visit Pamban Island. Thank you for watching the video. Please hit like button if you like the video, subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you. See you in the next.